Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in part 7 we will learn edit text. Edit text is used to take some value from user. So in example 1 we will ask user to enter the value or enter their name into the edit text, and when we click on a button, the name, whatever name the user has entered, that should be displayed in a toast. Okay, so this we will elaborate with the help of example. So open your Android Studio, go to file, new project, select the empty activity, next, my application, edit text. Okay, whatever you want to give, language will be Java, SDK, API level 15, finish. Our project is loading now. Our project has been loaded now. So initially we will delete the default text view. Now we will add edit text. So go to text, from text take the plain text. Okay, drop it on our layout and release. Very first we will set the coordinates for this. Okay, these are the coordinate, and again we will take a button. We will set the coordinates for button also. Okay, so this is what our setting. We will run it to see the output. Our application is going to be installed. We are just checking the view of the application. We didn't add any on-click listener or any functionality to button. So you can see here is a text view and here is a button. Okay, suppose user is entering something in the text, edit text. Okay, when we click on button, the message will be displayed here in a toast. Okay, so this is what we want to implement. Okay, so we will set the text to button as a my name. Okay, so we have edit text and a button. So we will create the object of edit text, edit text et. Okay, and button B. We have two components, so alter enter to import the class, again alter enter to import the class. So we will map both the things. Et equal to edit text, then find view by id, r dot id dot edit text. So this is what the id which we have set. B equal to button, find view by id, then r dot id dot button. Okay, so we will apply on click listener on button, and what should be happen on a click, the text that is present in edit text that should goes into some string, and that string we want to display. Okay, so b dot set on click listener new on click listener. Okay, so here we will take some string name equal to et. We want to read from et dot get text, and we will convert it into string. So method is toString. Okay, so whatever value that a user is going to enter, that comes into the name. Then we will create a toast. Toast t equal to toast dot make text. Here get application context, comma message your name, and we will again append this name variable. Okay, and the comma length, toast dot length long, and then we will show it t dot show. Okay, so when we run this, it is launching the activity now. Okay, so okay, suppose here we enter Android. Okay, then your name is Android. Suppose we enter here welcome. Okay, then this will come your name is welcome. Okay, welcome Android, my name is welcome Android. So this is what the edit text is. Okay, so whatever message goes into the edit text, that will be set in a toast.